Outdoor security cameras are one of the simplest ways to keep your home a little safer, whether you're watching for deliveries, checking in while you're away, or just keeping an eye on the driveway. But in 2025, the choices are everywhere. Wired or wireless, local storage or cloud, floodlights or solar. It can get overwhelming fast. That's why we've narrowed it down to the 6 best exterior cameras you can get right now, from budget picks to full-featured smart systems. We've also included links to each product in the description below, so you can check current prices and specs while you watch. Number 6. Eufy Floodlight Camera E340. If you're looking for an exterior camera that doubles as a serious floodlight, the Eufy Floodlight Camera E340 hits a sweet spot, especially if you're replacing an existing wired light fixture. It's best suited for areas like backyards, garages, or long driveways where wide coverage and clear visibility at night really matter. What makes this model stand out is its dual 2K lens system. One lens gives you a wide 130-degree view, while the second acts as a zoom lens that can track movement across your yard. Together, they provide a full 360-degree view with built-in pan and tilt powered by AI tracking. It's smooth, accurate, and doesn't rely on any cloud processing. Everything runs locally on the device. The E340 also features a bright 2,000 lumen floodlight, enough to light up even large outdoor areas. The color night vision is surprisingly sharp, even in partial lighting. And if you're not a fan of monthly subscriptions, this camera stores everything locally on a micro SD card. No fees, no cloud dependency. Eufy's smart detection zones help cut down on unnecessary notifications. You can set it to ignore cars or tree movement and only alert you when a person enters a certain area. It's not perfect, but it does a good job overall. Installation is pretty straightforward, especially if you're swapping it in where an old floodlight used to be. Just note that it does require wired power and isn't compatible with Apple's HomeKit. Overall, the Eufy Floodlight Camera E340 is a strong pick if you want a bright, reliable camera with local storage and AI-powered tracking. It's not the cheapest option, but it packs a lot of smart features into one device. Number 5. Wyze Cam V3 with Spotlight Kit. If you're trying to keep an eye on your property without spending a fortune, the Wyze Cam V3 with the optional Spotlight Kit is a solid place to start. At around $40 to $50, it's one of the most budget-friendly options out there, but still manages to pack in features you'd normally expect on cameras twice the price. This is a wired camera, but it's built for outdoor use with an IP65 weather-resistant rating, which means it can handle rain, wind, and dust without any issues. It records in 1080p and includes color night vision, which is rare at this price point. You can clearly see faces and movement even in low-light conditions, especially if you use the Spotlight Kit attachment. It's a small add-on that automatically lights up when motion is detected, useful for both visibility and as a deterrent. The Wyze Cam V3 uses motion and sound detection to alert you, and it can also tag people, specifically to avoid false alarms from pets or passing cars. Storage is flexible. You can use a micro SD card for local recordings or subscribe to Wyze's cloud plan if you want longer storage and event recording. It's a great fit for renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone who wants multiple cameras without spending hundreds. The wired setup might limit placement options a bit, but for the price, it's hard to beat. You won't get advanced AI features or high-end resolution here, but if all you need is a basic, reliable outdoor cam that can see well in the dark and send alerts when needed, the Wyze Cam V3 punches way above its price tag, especially with the Spotlight Kit added. Number 4. Blink Outdoor 4. If you want a camera that's easy to set up and won't need constant attention, the Blink Outdoor 4 is worth considering. It's fully wireless, powered by just 2 AA lithium batteries, and can run for up to 2 years depending on your settings and how often it gets triggered. This version offers 1080p HD video with solid clarity during the day and infrared night vision for after dark. While it doesn't have color night vision like some others, the footage is sharp enough to identify people, cars, and movement clearly. The newer chip inside this model gives it better motion detection than previous generations, and the response time is noticeably quicker. Setup is one of the big wins here. The Blink Outdoor 4 is designed to work right out of the box with minimal fuss. No wiring, no complicated mounting. Just pop in the batteries, sync it with the Blink app, and you're good to go. If you use Alexa, it integrates seamlessly, letting you arm or disarm with voice commands or view the live feed through Echo Show devices. Storage is flexible. You can go with Blink's cloud subscription plan or skip the fees entirely and use a sync module too with a USB drive for local storage. That said, motion sensitivity can sometimes feel too jumpy. It might alert you for things like blowing leaves or passing shadows unless you adjust the zones carefully. And while the two-way audio is handy, the sound quality isn't always crystal clear. Still, for a camera you can install in minutes and basically forget about for months at a time, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a strong performer. especially if you're looking to outfit multiple areas on a budget. Number 3. Eufy Cam 3. For anyone who wants top-tier features without locking into a monthly subscription, the Eufy Cam 3 checks nearly every box. It's a premium wireless system with crystal-clear 4K resolution and a strong focus on privacy. Everything runs locally, so you're not sending video to the cloud unless you choose to. One standout feature here is the built-in solar panel on each camera. As long as the cameras get around 2 hours of sunlight a day, they can run almost indefinitely without needing to be recharged. For homeowners in sunny areas, that alone can make it a hassle-free setup. The Eufy Cam 3 pairs with the Homebase 3 hub, which includes advanced AI that runs facial recognition and smart alerts directly on the device. That means better accuracy when it comes to spotting people, pets, or vehicles without relying on internet access. The system also offers expandable storage, up to 16 TB with an external drive, giving you plenty of space for long-term recordings. Setup takes a bit longer compared to plug-and-play options, mostly because of the initial pairing and deciding where to mount the hub and cameras for ideal solar exposure. But once it's up and running, it's largely hands-off. And since there's no monthly fee, your long-term cost stays low. The video quality is excellent, especially during the day. Night vision holds up well too, though it's black and white rather than color. Smart alerts are generally spot on, and the facial recognition becomes more accurate over time as it learns familiar faces. It's not the cheapest option up front, but the features, build quality, and lack of ongoing fees make the Eufy Cam 3 a smart buy for anyone looking for a high-end, privacy-first security setup that just works. Number 2. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery. If you're already using a Ring doorbell or have Alexa devices around your home, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery is a natural next step. It's designed to work smoothly within that ecosystem and adds an extra layer of visibility and security to driveways, yards, or side entrances. The camera records in 1080p HDR, and the video quality is noticeably sharp, both during the day and at night. But what really makes this model stand out is the combination of radar-based motion detection and something Ring calls bird's eye view. This gives you a top-down map of the motion path so you can see not just that someone moved, but how they moved across your property. It's a small detail that actually makes a big difference when you're reviewing footage. There's also a spotlight built in, which turns on automatically when motion is detected. It adds visibility and can act as a light deterrent without being overly harsh. Two-way talk is another plus, and the built-in noise reduction makes conversations sound clearer than on most outdoor cams. Keep in mind that Ring does rely on cloud storage. There's no local recording here. That means you'll need a Ring Protect subscription to access past footage or use features like rich notifications. For some, that's a downside. But for others already paying for Ring services, it blends right in. Battery life depends heavily on how often the spotlight turns on and how active the camera area is. The dual-band Wi-Fi helps with stable streaming, but placement and signal strength still matter. Overall, if you're already invested in Ring or Alexa, the Spotlight Cam Pro is an easy pick. It's polished, capable, and brings a few smart features you don't see elsewhere. Number 1. Google Nest Cam Battery. If you're using Google Home and want a smart camera that's clean, flexible, and consistently reliable, the Google Nest Cam battery is hard to top. It blends ease of use with intelligent features and a streamlined setup that doesn't get in your way. This camera is fully wireless and mounts with a strong magnetic base, making it one of the easiest to install and reposition. Whether you're mounting it above a porch or sticking it to a metal fence post, it holds firm and adjusts easily. The 1080p HD video, paired with HDR and solid night vision, delivers clear footage day or night. One of the strongest points here is the smart detection. It can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles with a high level of accuracy, so you're not constantly getting pinged by wind-blown branches or passing cars. You get free 3-hour event history without a subscription, which is decent for casual monitoring. But if you want up to 60 days of video history and features like facial recognition, you can subscribe to Nest Aware. Unlike most cloud-only cameras, the Nest Cam battery has onboard storage. If your Wi-Fi goes down, it can still record and store up to an hour of footage locally, then upload it once the connection comes back. It's a small but thoughtful feature that gives peace of mind. The app experience is also one of the smoothest around. Everything is clean, quick to load, and integrates naturally with Google Home. While not the cheapest option, the build quality, smart alerts, and flexible mounting make it a top pick for most people, especially if you're already using other Google Smart devices. For reliable outdoor monitoring without the hassle, the Nest Cam battery just gets it right. That wraps up our list of the best exterior security cameras for 2025. Whether you're after full 4K resolution with no monthly fees, long battery life, or a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, there's something here for every type of setup. Features like radar tracking, solar charging, and local storage do come with a higher price tag, but they also offer more control and flexibility. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. Let us know in the comments which camera fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.